In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix AirPod won't connect to my iPhone. So this is my iPhone and my AirPod won't connect my iPhone. So let's go to how can easily fix this. So just open and double tap, showing it to white light, double tap to showing it to orange light. Okay, and let's try, or if you still not working, and you just connect your charger, just charging 5 to 10 seconds, and let's try to connect this. Okay, or still not working, make sure to enable Bluetooth and open, just remove all list. Okay, and wait few seconds and you get this option, press on to connect. So I hope you just follow my some tricks, then you can fix this problem.